If you get paid, feel rich for about 6 hours, and then reality punches you in the face with bills and groceries, this video is for you. Because most people think financial security comes from earning way more money. But I save more money by doing something way less dramatic. I built a simple new paycheck routine I repeat every single time I get paid, and it made my finances feel calm instead of chaotic. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do every time money hits your account. The boring little system that actually creates stability. And make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to give you a simple 5-step paycheck routine you can start this week. And it will help you immediately make your money feel more predictable, more stable, and honestly, way less stressful. All right, let's get into it. Move your money before life touches it. Most people get paid and the money is basically gone immediately. Bills, groceries, Amazon, a random trip to Target that somehow costs you $140. And then when you're sitting there like, wait, where did my paycheck even go? What changed everything for me was doing one small thing first. Before I spent a dollar, I moved money automatically. Savings, investings, something. This is the foundation of my paycheck routine. And the crazy part is this. It doesn't have to be huge. If you automate even $200 per paycheck, that's about $400 a month. That's nearly $5,000 a year without motivation, without discipline, without thinking. So here's the takeaway. Every time you get paid, make one move first before life drains it. Confidence is a byproduct, not a requirement. A lot of people delay financial progress because they don't feel ready. They're like, once I understand investing, once I stop being scared, once I feel confident, then I'll start. Confidence doesn't come first, action comes first. I used to treat money mistakes like they meant something about me. Like if I invested wrong one time, I'd get kicked out of adulthood. So I waited. And waiting is expensive because money is a skill. You don't get confident by overthinking. You get confident by doing small reps. Like investing $25 every paycheck, that's the cost of 2 drive-through meals. And over time, those tiny reps become real wealth. So here's your takeaway. Start small enough that it feels almost weird and let repetition build the confidence. Real quick, if you're getting any value so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow and it tells YouTube to show this to more normal people trying to get unstuck. All right, let's get back to it. Make money visible, not mysterious. Most families don't talk about money because it feels tense. Like bringing it up will start a fight. So people stay quiet. They avoid the topic. But money doesn't disappear when you stop talking about it. It just becomes background anxiety. One of the healthiest things we ever did was a simple paycheck check in, not a 3 hour finance meeting. More like, hey, are we good this week? What bills are coming up? What do we need to watch? 10 minutes. And that's it. So remember, every time you get paid, spend 10 minutes making money visible. Calm beats chaos. Teach money earlier than you feel qualified. One of the most underrated parts of financial freedom is this. Kids are learning money habits long before we ever teach them. They're watching, they're absorbing, picking up trade offs, and without guidance, impulsive habits form early. Most parents want to teach money, they just feel unqualified. And honestly, same. That's the introvert dream, quietly learning together without making it a big emotional thing. So here's the takeaway. Every paycheck involve your kids in one small money moment, a choice, a trade-off, a conversation. That's how confidence starts early. So I'm curious, did anyone actually teach you money growing up? Or did you have to figure it out the hard way? Let me know down in the comments down below. Playing it safe can be the riskiest move. This one sounds backwards, but sometimes the safe thing is what keeps you stuck. A lot of families do the responsible thing. They keep money sitting in cash. They stay in unfulfilling jobs because it's stable. They avoid investing because it feels scary. And I get it. But when you have kids depending on you, predictability feels safe. But here's the problem. Inflation quietly eats money that sits still. Long term, inflation averages around 3% a year. So if your money is idle, it's losing purchasing power every year. True paycheck safety isn't just saving, it's gradual growth, diversified investing, skill building, income flexibility. So remember this, every time you get paid, don't just store your money, give it direction. Comfort will keep you stuck forever. Let me zoom out for a second. Most people aren't financially stuck because they're lazy. They're stuck because they're choosing comfort over freedom. So here are your two options. Option one, stay comfortable, upgrade slowly, working nights for 10 years just to afford a lifestyle you don't even have time to enjoy. Fancy car, stress, paycheck. That's not success. That's expensive comfort. Or option two, get intentional for a season. Drive that old car. Live a little smaller. Build assets. Buy your time back. You don't need to change who you are. You just need a paycheck routine that stops comfort from stealing your future. This is your blueprint. So if you want to start immediately, here's what I do. First, every time you get paid, automate one small transfer, savings or investing. Just something. Second, do a 10-minute paycheck check in. Visibility creates calm. Third, pick one area where safe is actually holding you back, like staying in cash forever. Fourth, replace 1 hour of scrolling with financial learning. Being familiar stops fear. And fifth, if you have kids, bring them into one simple money moment this week. Which one of these steps are you actually going to start next time you get paid? I'll be honest with you, most people watch this video and they will feel motivated, but do nothing. Not because they're bad people, but because their life is busy. But the difference isn't about being unique or special, it's about being consistent. I'm not a genius. I just built small systems, tested what works, and kept showing up. Progress is quiet, stability is built, and freedom comes way faster than you think when you stop waiting for perfect and start moving with intention every paycheck. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video.